Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's Skater. Welcome to the channel. I wanted to share something that may be of interest to you. Most of you know I've been working with Into the AM for going on 2 years, I think now. And recently they launched these face masks. There's about a dozen or so designs of these face masks. They got basic ones, skeleton mask one, obviously this one, a bunch of different abstract designs. I'll throw a couple on the screen right now. These are made of an antimicrobial material and they're pretty soft, and they have these elastic straps on them on the ear cuffs and around the mouth, so they have a comfy fit, but most importantly they'll have a secure fit when you put them on, which means there won't be any gaps around the sides of your mouth or anything like that. Now, I want to make it clear, these are not medical grade masks. There's no carbon filters or anything in these. These are your standard disposable masks, except they are reusable and they can be machine washed. Now, the cool thing is, with every face mask sold, Into the AM is going to be donating a surgical grade mask to local hospitals in California to help fight COVID-19. So if you want a face mask for whatever reason, if you need one, if you want one with a little flare on it, these are an option for you. I think it's later this week, my state is going to be making it mandatory that anywhere you go in public that you have to have a face mask on at all times. And who knows what's going to be the new regulations in the future. And if you purchase one of these, again, you're helping with COVID-19 efforts outside your personal stuff, because Into the AM is going to be donating a surgical grade mask for every one of these purchased. These are running for 25% off right now. They're about $14 a piece, and you can get another 10% off when you use my link, which will automatically apply my discount code at checkout. That will be linked down below in the description and in a pinned comment. I know orders are processed daily. Don't quote me on this, but I know a couple of my friends already got some of these and they got their order within 3 days. I think mine's going to be taking 6 days for mine to get here. And speaking of shipping, anywhere in the US is going to be no hassle. If you guys are international, these masks are only available on the US site, so you can still get them, but they may take longer to get shipped out for you, and you may have to pay a little bit extra for the shipping fees. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that this is an option in case you are in need of a face mask, and that's going to be it. Feel free to share this with whoever you think may need it. Stay safe and stay healthy out there. My name is Skater. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.